By the end of this video, you will learn how to use a powerful ChatGPT prompt to generate 5 SEO-optimized headlines for any page in seconds, which will attract more readers and boost your website's visibility. If you're like most website owners, you know that crafting compelling headlines is crucial for attracting visitors and improving your SEO. But let's be honest, coming up with catchy titles can be a real headache. You need headlines that are concise and easy to understand, engaging enough to grab attention, relevant to your page's content, and of course, packed with those all-important SEO keywords. It's a lot to juggle, right? Here's the prompt. As a seasoned copywriter who specializes in website copy, you are to generate 5 catchy headlines for a type of page. The headlines must be concise, engaging, and relevant to the content of the page. They should incorporate relevant keywords for SEO purposes and should align with the overall branding and tone of the website. The goal is to create headlines that will attract and retain the reader's attention, prompting them to explore the page further. Now let's say we're creating headlines for a blog post about organic gardening tips. I'll replace type of page with blog post about organic gardening tips. And just like that, ChatGPT has given us 5 fantastic headline options. Look at these. Unlock your green thumb, essential organic gardening tips. Grow naturally, expert organic gardening strategies. Sustainable harvest, your guide to organic gardening success. Eco-friendly gardens, organic tips for a bountiful yield. Healthy soil, happy plants, organic gardening basics. Notice how each headline incorporates relevant keywords like organic gardening and tips. They also use strong verbs and emotional language to grab attention. For example, unlock your green thumb creates a sense of possibility, and sustainable harvest creates a feeling of long-term accomplishment. The best part about this prompt is that you can adapt it for any type of page. Just replace type of page with the specific content you're working on. For example, you could use it for a product page about natural skincare products or a service page about web design for small businesses. So, there you have it, a quick and easy way to generate SEO-optimized headlines using ChatGPT. Give it a try and let me know in the comments which headlines you came up with. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.